All right, buddy, here we go. Ready? Search.
They're constant, they're relentless, they're never gonna give up, and time, greatest game of hide and go seekers that you're ever gonna see, because they always find the victim.
Good boy. Good job, buddy. You found him. Woohoo!
This good boy is just one of 7 highly trained rescue dogs from California, on standby as flood dangers continue statewide.
These dogs are trained in live human odor or live human detection. It doesn't matter what the disaster is, whether it's from flooding, whether it is a structural response, they are prepared to find live human scent in any kind of format.
The California-based Search Dog Foundation has deployed with FEMA task forces to help first responders here in Washington. No mission so far, but these dogs can be mobilized in minutes. They're currently standing by in Kent's Pacific Raceways.
We started off in the Snohomish County, we've been to the Skagit County, now we're here in King, so we are definitely covering some ground. There's been flooding reports in multiple different areas throughout the state, so that we're going to continue to check out. And again, like we were doing reconnaissance missions today, just trying to be prepared for our surrounding areas.
Ready to help.
You want to find somebody? You ready? Search.
For however long it takes.
We will be here for as long as the state of Washington needs us to be here.
Reporting for King 5 News, I'm Brady Wakayama.